Are you looking for an application that will pay you for playing or testing video games? Then you are in a right place at a right time. Cause today I will share an application whereby you can earn points by playing popular and fun games. The points that you earn can be converted into real cash. After converting this points, you'll be able to withdraw it via PayPal. Hello and welcome to Free Money Boss. You don't need to pay anything to use these application, and you don't need any skill to use this app. One of the main methods to withdraw from this app is PayPal, and PayPal it's one of the commonly used payment methods in Get Paid to apps. So anyone can download and use this app on his or her spare time. Cause I must mention that this app won't make you rich or earn you full-time income. It's for fun, and it's one of the ways to earn some little extra income on the side. This app is called Cash Alarm, and it can be found in Google Play Store or App Store. You can also use the link in the description box down below to download Cash Alarm. Cash Alarm is available on both Android and iOS devices. After downloading Cash Alarm into your mobile device, you'll be required to sign up using your Gmail or Facebook to save your account. Cash Alarm is an application that pays you to download and play different games on your mobile device. Whenever you install and play a game, you will earn points, which you can exchange for PayPal money once you reach the minimum payout. After installing Cash Alarm, you'll have the option to sign up using your existing Gmail or Facebook account. Also, you'll have to grant Cash Alarm access to your mobile device usage data so they can detect your playtime. Immediately after giving Cash Alarm access into your device, you will earn 1,800 coins as a welcome bonus, which will assist you to reach your first payout very quickly. So there are two different ways to earn from this app. Option 1, downloading and playing games. The pack of what you will earn from Cash Alarm will come from playing the mobile games. When you log into the app, just click or tab the featured option in their menu and you will be able to see all the games you can play. On the list, you will find the number of points you can earn from each game you play. As you can see right here on the screen, Cash Alarm will reward you a certain number of points for every minute you play the game. However, their reward system is actually designed so that you will earn more and more points the longer you are playing a game. That's why the best approach to this is to play a certain game for only a set amount of time each day. Once you reach that time, then move on to the next game. That would be, in my opinion, the most fastest way to spend your time on this app. When you see a game you like, just press it and it will prompt you to install the game on your mobile device. Once the game is installed, it will be included in your My Apps list in Cash Alarm. Now, this is important. In order to earn from the game you are playing, you have to go through the Cash Alarm link to open the game so that Cash Alarm will be able to track the time you are spending playing the game. Don't just go to your device menu and open the game you want to play. You have to open Cash Alarm first and go to the My Apps options and open the game from there. When you do that, you will be able to earn the coins you are supposed to earn when you play the game. Option 2, Referral Program. Cash Alarm has a very exciting referral program, which benefits both you and your referral at the same time. You will get 250 points for every friend that you invite plus 25% of all their earnings. Not only that, but your referral also earn 25% of all the coins you collect. All you have to do is tab the red button, Invite, to send your QR code to all the people you want, or click on the blue button to share via Facebook. Now let me show you how the withdrawal system works. The rewards available will depend on the country you live in. But the common reward option is PayPal. This is the only payment method the app offers for cash rewards. In some countries, you can also redeem gift cards from Amazon, Google Play, and more. The coins you will need to earn to redeem a specific reward will also depend on your country. So, the app doesn't have a universal minimum threshold you need to reach to cash out rewards. When I was doing my testing, the minimum amount I could withdraw through PayPal was R2.86 in South Africa. That's actually a very low payout threshold, which is a good thing because you can cash out your earnings very quickly. If you want to try this app, you're free to use the link in the description box down below. That's it for this video, guys. Now, if you are looking for a great way to earn extra cash online watching videos, I would suggest you check out this video right here. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.